before we oil. It's not totally necessary, but we find we get more consistent results when using it. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour for that raw wood cleaner to dry, and then you're ready to oil. We use Rubio Monaco Pure on all our river tables. It's a 2-part finish, so you've got the oil and the accelerator, which are mixed at a 3-to-1 ratio. We find it easiest to use the digital scale to measure out the 3-to-1 mixture. For this table, we're mixing up 100 milliliters of the oil, and then we'll add 33 milliliters of the accelerator. Next up, we'll give our mixture a good mix, make sure the accelerator is thoroughly mixed with the oil, and then it's time to pour the oil onto our workpiece. There's 2 different ways that we use to spread the oil, and on this table, we chose to use a squeegee. The squeegee works well and is less wasteful than one of the buffing pads since they are a single-use product. We will typically only use the buffing pad if we could finish multiple tables in the same day. That way we get multiple uses out of it. When spreading the oil, you want to make sure that you don't miss any areas because you want that oil to cover the entire surface and absorb into the pores of the wood. Sometimes you'll notice that some parts of the wood will look a little dry, and we'll normally give it another pass with oil there just to make sure that it absorbs the right amount. The work